In this video tutorial, we will continue working with strings in PHP. The goal is not to memorize every string function. The goal is to learn the string tools beginning PHP students will use most often. We will read text from a form, clean it, safely display it, preserve line breaks, check for words inside text, replace text, and learn how passwords should be handled in modern PHP. Modern PHP includes a function named str_contains. This function checks whether one string contains another string. In this example, the message is, I am learning PHP strings. We check whether the message contains PHP. Since it does, the condition is true, and PHP displays the message. The str_contains function returns true or false. It is also case sensitive. That means PHP is uppercase and PHP in lowercase are treated as different text. PHP also has functions that can change text. The str_replace function replaces matching text. In this example, cats is replaced with dogs. The message came from I like cats to I like dogs. The str_I_replace is case sensitive. The I means it ignores case, so it replaces matching text whether the letters are uppercase or lowercase. The str to lower function changes letters to lowercase. The str to upper function changes letters to uppercase. This can be useful when you want to compare simple text without worrying about capital letters. These are useful functions to know, but the most important security function is still the HTML special chars when displaying user-submitted text. The big pattern to remember is read, clean, escape, and display. The pattern will help you write safer and easier to read PHP code. Passwords are strings, but they must be handled very carefully. A password should never be stored as plain text in a database. Modern PHP uses password_hash to create a secure password hash. A hash is a protected version of the password that is designed for storage. PHP automatically handles the salt for password_hash. When a user tries to log in, password_verify checks the type password against the saved hash. Old tutorials may show MD5 or SHA1 for passwords. Those should not be used for password storage in modern PHP. Use password_hash and password_verify instead. The main pattern is make sure that you read the form value, that you clean extra spaces, that you escape before display, you display the safe version. This is the main pattern for using string read, clean, escape, display. First, read the value from the form using $_post superglobal array. Second, clean the value with trim. Third, escape the value with HTML special chars. Fourth, display the safe version. You should practice this pattern until it feels normal. This pattern is useful for names, comments, messages, search terms, and many other form values. Remember, do not trust text just because it came from your own form. Users can type unexpected content and forms can be changed. The main ideas from this lesson are strings store text. PHP can use strings from variables, from form fields, and from other parts of a program. The period operator joins strings together. The .= operator adds more text to an existing string. When working with form text, use trim to clean extra spaces. Before displaying user-submitted text, use HTML special chars. If the text comes from a text area and should keep its line breaks, use new line to break after HTML special chars. For passwords, do not store plain text passwords and do not use the old MD5 or SHA1 examples. Use password_hash and password_verify. The most important pattern is read, clean, escape, and display. Thanks for watching.